Want to study Cambodian? No time? It's not a problem anymore. These Cambodian books can help you.
Hello guys, welcome back to Learn Cambodian with my channel, and I'm DARA from the Khmer Lesson. Today I have a new video for you, and in this lesson I will teach you how to use number with container. Container in this video I refer to like glass, a bottle, a box, or I can say something that load something inside, but we call container. And in this lesson we will learn how to use number with that. Because you know a lot of students still have problem with using this. As you know, like in Cambodian language, when you use number before a thing and then when you use number after a thing, the meaning different. And then a lot of I can say a lot of foreigners, they still not clear or still have problem with this. Okay, sometimes they wonder like why I use this before the thing, and sometimes they use after the thing. Okay, so in this lesson we will learn of with this, but actually it doesn't mean like only with container that you use number before or after. We also have another thing that you use number before and after as well, but in this video just focus on number with container only. Okay, so if you would like to know how to use this, just go with me and we will learn together in this video. Okay, so right now we can start. Okay, right now I will choose one container. Okay, it's a glass, but it's a glass, but it is a container that you can load water inside. For the word glass in Khmer, you say kail, right? Kail. And then, for example, you say a glass or one glass. Okay, I didn't talk about something inside the glass. I just say a glass, just glass. So glass is the main thing that we talk about. So for example, in the sentence, in the restaurant, you want another glass. Okay, you want another glass, just an empty glass. Okay, just an empty glass. And then in the sentence you will say, can I have a glass? Okay, can I have a glass? So in this case you want a glass only. And then in Khmer, when you say like this, one glass, in Khmer you change. You say glass first and then one. Okay, you remember. One glass, one. And then in Khmer you say kail mui. You change. Kail mui. For example, in the sentence you would like to say this sentence. Can I have a glass? Can I have a glass? And then in Khmer we say Khnyom som kail mui. Ban te? Okay, and you make a question with can. Khnyom som kail mui. Ban te? And then in Khmer we always use som when you would like something in the restaurant. Khmer people like to say som or yerk. And then the sentence say Khnyom som kail mui ban te? Or you don't want to you don't need to make a question, you just say Khnyom som kail mui. Khnyom som kail mui. So you see, and if you don't say Khnyom som mui kail, it's not correct. Khnyom som kail mui. And another container also the same. For example, this is a bottle, right? A bottle in Khmer you say dop. And now we talk about bottle only, not about water in the bottle, just bottle. For example, you say one bottle. One bottle. In Khmer you change, you say bottle one. Dop mui. Okay, dop mui. So and it's the same for all containers when you use number before and then the main thing is container, not about something in the container, you reverse in Khmer. Okay, container plus number. Bah. And another thing, when you use container number with container as well, but the main thing not about container, not about glass, but the main thing is something inside the container. For example, you say a glass of coffee. A glass of coffee. For example, can I have a glass of coffee? Can I have a glass of coffee? So the main thing you want is not a glass, right? It's coffee. But it's coffee. Now, when you say a glass of coffee, or one glass or one cup of coffee, in Khmer you say coffee first. Coffee first, because coffee is the main thing you want. The main thing you want. And then in Khmer you say coffee, and then one glass you don't change. You keep the same. Coffee, one glass. Coffee, one cup. Okay, so you see it's different from the previous one. When you say one cup or one glass or one bottle, only without anything else inside, you change. But when you refer to something inside, you use that thing first, and then one cup or one bottle, you keep the same. You keep the same. So in Khmer you say coffee, one cup. Coffee, one cup. Okay, now, for example, in the sentence you say, I take a cup of coffee. I take a cup of coffee. In Khmer you say ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេមួយកែវណាខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេមួយកែវ so you see you use មួយ before container and then you use coffee before number also coffee one cup ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេមួយកែវណាបាទ and if you would like a bottle of beer and then the sentence you say I take a bottle of beer. I take a bottle of beer. And then in Khmer you say I take beer one bottle. I take beer one bottle. And in Khmer ខ្ញុំយក beer មួយដប ខ្ញុំយក beer មួយដប Okay? And if you say ខ្ញុំយក beer ដបមួយ and it's wrong. ខ្ញុំយកកាហ្វេកែវមួយ and it's wrong. So this is the difference between number before container and number after container. Okay, so now summarize again. Number with container without anything else, in Khmer you reverse. Okay, another one, number with container and with something inside, you use that liquid, or I can say that thing first, and then number plus container. Okay, so this is the difference between this, but very simple and easy to remember. Okay, so I hope everyone understand clearly about using number with container. Okay, so in this lesson or in this video I have only this for you. I hope this lesson is useful for everyone, and from now on I hope you will use this correctly. Okay, so អរគុណច្រើន if you have any question or still not clear with some point, just let me know in the comment section and I will try to answer your question. Okay, again, thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.